Welcome to another episode of Take Nothing for the Journey. Of course, we had to start our day with another broken egg because, I was in Atlanta. And we are starting at Cascade Springs Observatory. All right, you guys, enjoy.
All right, tell them who you are.
How y'all doing? I'm out here with Tunde's Tea Shop at the Cascade Nature Reserve.
Yeah.
We're serving some of our Thai tea, our premier product, a golden tea, which is a cold brew herbal tea, and a matcha vegan. All of our products are vegan, and we do delivery, shipping, curbside. So wherever you are and you're trying to get tea, we'll make sure you get it. That's our guarantee.
That's cool. All right, you guys, look at this right here.
Practice.
Take a look at it. Tell your name. Tell your name.
And my name is Erica.
It is.
All right, Erica, and he's got a card, you guys. Let's look. Is this it right
Take
here?
your card.
Here's the card. I'll make
Like on
sure
the
I'll
card
link
it
it.
says delivery, shipping,
I'll link it
all
below,
that.
you guys. All right, cool. Erica.
Awesome.
You don't have any extra, do you?
No, take that. Go ahead. No, we do have extras.
All right. This is cool. Y'all ready to roll it?
So
Thank
awesome.
you. We are at, where we at? Cascade Springs in Atlanta. All right, say hello. There's Grace. There is Jenna. Say what's up, Jenna.
Hey.
Yep, and we got Janelli.
Hey.
We are all cruising up here. We're gonna check out this park here. Because you know sometimes we like to escape and get away. So
Careful. Y'all can go on in front of me because I'm going to be slow.
All right, so at Cascade Springs, it has limited wheelchair abilities or accessibilities. So you can only get so far. So this video is going to show you as far as we can go. And then Grace and Jenna is going to take over the rest. All right, let's go.
shot right there. Okay, let me
We
look.
took it already, but we're keeping the glass jar.
Oh, you already got it?
Yeah, Jenna's gonna make us some homemade ones. So we kept the glass jar.
Oh, that what that guy gave you?
No, this is the one we take a CVS. We took a CVS.
Where you what?
The one we took a CVS.
Oh. All right, you guys, look at it.
Creepy.
Oh, it's got some funny stuff up in here.
Funny stuff. Oh, I don't know what that was. No,
Oh,
moved
yeah.
back there. Something moved.
We don't know what's up here, you guys. Look at this graffiti. We can't have nothing. Can't have nothing.
Oh, no.
All right, you guys, look at that. Woo! See, Grace? All right.
They are.
We're gonna look at that bridge. Look at this bridge over here.
Over here, be careful.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Oh, boy. All right. Thank God for my thighs that's keeping this phone secure.
All right, over.
Uh,
We made it.
Off-roading experience.
Here, let's stop. Yeah. This is the off-road edition of the wheelchair. Off-roading.
No hands.
There we go. That's Grace. Y'all, you found some Cascades? They even brought a whole grill out here, you guys. Look at that.
Brought a
They
whole
gonna bring
grill.
a whole grill.
Who brought a whole
You
grill?
know this ain't the picnic. Well, it is a picnic area, I guess.
It is.
But I don't think that grill supposed to be there.
Forest fire, no big deal.
Oh yeah, this is good. You guys, if you want wheelchair accessible, this is pretty much wheelchair accessible right now.
Kind of.
Kind of. Yeah. Look at
Wait,
that right
wait.
there. That is nice.
I am just gonna take a picture. I gotta get the angles. I don't take sideways pictures like some.
They're rated there like getting on me today.
Oh, it's creepy.
There's a little fairy house right there. Wow. Very close. Ooh. I like it.
When they had a scary movie and it was the squirrels taking over the world, and that's why they not.
At one of the little falls, there's like a weird entrance opening thing. I'm trying to read about this place.
Find something interesting.
I'm trying to figure out what all this random stuff is.
Good question.
What'd you find out?
So people once believed that water from the springs had healing properties. So it was bottled and sold for a period of time in the 1970s. The preserve was created to protect one of Atlanta's oldest forests. But what does not explain all the weird stuff?
I'm trying to figure it out, you guys.
Tell me about the ferry house in the Cascade National Preserve in Atlanta, Georgia.
Google knows everything. This has got their little cascades over here.
All right, now I'm gonna take some really cool
Pictures. Woo.
The end of the road.
This is the end of the road.
Well, it's the other way. That way.
Yeah, because
Yeah, we can go
there's
the
no
other way.
paved.
It'll be dirt roads, but you can go the other way.
What other way?
There's another like flat way going that way. It'd just be like going to Imes Nature Center. I bet that's like a little, this little road here is a little, this is a trail right here. There's a loop here.
During the Civil War, there was a battle that took place.
It goes all the way around.
August 7th, 1864. Hundreds of soldiers lost their lives during the fight in the trenches.
Oh,
Despite the tragic beginning,
sad.
the waters of the
You
creek
gonna help
were
over? Or if it's the sewage and where it's taking
I'll open it.
we're taking a picture of the sewage. Somebody read it. See what it says.
Property of City of Atlanta.
Oh yeah, that's some secret stuff going on, you guys. This is secret stuff. Secret missions going underneath there. They can't appreciate it, you guys. Can't appreciate it. Is there a little beaver in there?
I don't know. Looks like a bear.
Is there a beaver in there?
Are you sure?
Look at that.
This looks actually damn.
You guys, I'm gonna let Jenna and Grace is gonna record this because from this point on it's not wheelchair accessible. So we're gonna stay back. So if you guys enjoy it, see you a little bit.
Recording?
Yes.
Made it to the fall. Dun, dun, dun. My mom abandoned us and told me to talk to the camera. So I'm talking to a camera. An inanimate object. What?
Poor thing. Thank you, Jenna and Grace. Well, here's the shots back to our car. Remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Until next time.